What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com. Doing a quick review on the S&P 500 and a couple of the trades that we put on today. S&P, very, very interesting. We've hit a sort of trough right through here and a bounce, and we've, in this trough, hit a proper bear market bottom, 20% down from the top, and since have rallied quite strong. In fact, three of the last four sessions have been obviously to the upside, but I don't know that I'm seeing too much long-term value to the upside. And what I mean is, if you actually look at this peak to this trough, and we have this 2351 right through here, price action has committed a bit of a relief rally, and it really hasn't done much by fully moving its way to the upside. It has a lot of overhead resistance. We've got the 20 here, the 50, the 200, and the 100. And those are all acting as levels of resistance. Now, in terms of momentum on the MACD histogram, it's completely oversold, and that histogram is turning to the upside, and we are getting a pre-buy signal cross on the on these two histogram signal lines right through here, but the volume's quite light. So interesting. We'll be waiting. We'll be seeing what happens. My personal thoughts are that if we were to measure this peak to trough right through here, I mentioned this, we might get as much as a 50% retrace, which would bring the S&P level back to about 2585 before rolling over and pretty much bear flagging into confirmed bear territory. Now, a lot of the stocks that we've put out on the trade alerts list have been geared towards the short side. We're really looking to take advantage of that relative strength. And me personally, it's been the short show for quite some time now. And we'll start with Overstock. That is OSTK. Now, this is something that we put out on an alert a few weeks ago. We were taking advantage of a breakdown of the support level at 1657. You can see that we had this nice plummet. And price, again, a little bit of a relief rally, a little bit of that histogram moving to the upside. But really, ultimately, at the end of the day, what we're looking at is a potential bear flag. And so the team has been alerted to short this again if that 1233 level is broken out. If you were to go down to a lower 1 hour chart, you would see that rollover is starting to commence. And so when that 1233 level does break down to the low side, we will be shorting OSTK. So, you know, the team did very, very well on that initial break, and then we had a confirmation day and then rally. A lot of people were letting the puts go, and they did exceptionally well. And we're just waiting for that second move to break down at 1233. On the other side of things, Facebook, this is one of the stocks that we've been shorting like crazy. If I take this down to a 5-minute chart, I can show you right through here that about 15 minutes into the market, this first rally right through here, I started to watch price action to the short side. We had some VWAP resistance among other levels of resistance. And then we had a 133.79 level get completely taken out. And it was just a landslide, a bit of a rally. And then it fell even lower. We had this consolidation right through here. And that's where the position was getting covered and the puts were being sold. Did exceptionally well on Facebook. There was an Apple play also that we were taking advantage of and essentially did the same thing. You can see that we had this pin bar right through here, rallied, and then came below the VWAP. Very, very simple play. Took out that low level of support right through here that was set on the bottom of this pin bar. There was a rally through. We were holding at a bit of a loss, but then we had that VWAP resistance kick in, and it just dropped. It rallied and dropped again. And so we had some very, very nice plays out there today. And we'll be talking a lot about these plays and other plays that we've got on the books right now in Ask a Trader, which is coming up tomorrow. We are going to be hosting a Q&A webinar, not this Wednesday coming up, but the following Wednesday on January 9th at 6:45 p.m. If you guys want to join, by all means, please do. There will be a link below. And if you have any questions about anything that we're doing in the markets, feel free to email me. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. My email address is also in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn that notification on and be the first to get these reports as I roll them out every other day or so. And if you want to join us in future webinars, there's also a link below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next market recap.